the shorts don't match. Okay. Please mind the mess. I'm moving and it's sort of packing. Just got back from my dad's house. I had a fun time there this weekend. I only get to see him every other weekend. I don't get to see him again for another 2 weeks. And today's Father's Day, and I'm so excited because I had a fun time there, but I was really looking forward to seeing my step-siblings and my stepmom, but I only got to see them very little yesterday because my stepsister was with her friend, and then my stepbrother was working, and then my stepmom was working, and then today when I got to hopefully see them, they all went out, and they left at like 5:30 in the morning. It was really, really early, so I didn't get to see them. I used to have a hamster, but he died, and now I don't have anybody to cuddle when I'm at my mom's house. My dog doesn't really like to cuddle when I'm at my dad's, but my cat kind of likes to. It's like, so wait until you're all comfy and you're happy with him on your lap, and I don't fart, and it'll smell really, really bad, and then my hair dye came all weekend, and I'm swimming in a chlorine pool, and my hair dye came out, and it's not like really, really red anymore, like a more I get to be. Have exams next week. I really, really want spider bites, and if you don't know what those are, they're like piercings right here or right here, and it's split piercing, and I really, really want it, but I'm not allowed to get any more than the 2 I have on my ears because, like, my mom was really overprotective, and she was only just okay with me getting those piercings, but then my dad stepped in and said, don't interfere with me getting a job in the future, and he doesn't want that, so I can only get another piercing as long as he can't see it, like, I've got piercing or any other piercing, but my mom says, like, complete no to that, and I don't really want a piercing or any other piercing like that, but, I can't get one till I move out, and I really want, That's my dad's, it's really messy. That's my sister's bed, it's also really messy. Shoot! I have wine bottles in my room. Don't worry, they're non-alcoholic. See? I don't know if you can see what that says, but it says de-alcoholized. Alcoholized. This one still has stuff in it. You probably can't see, but it does. Yay! Some for me. And this one right here, it says alcohol-free wine. Not me. I'm not a drunk. Don't worry. There was no point to filming this video. I was just really, really bored and felt like filming, so yeah, that's what this video is. Yeah, I also just really want to say that I promise my videos will have better quality soon enough. Not very, very soon, but I mean, I've asked for cameras and a tripod and a laptop and stuff for Christmas, so I won't have to film on my tablet anymore or edit on my tablet anymore because it is really crap quality, but not much I can do. Now I have a job. I know I want one, but I can't get one. I have issues, like mental issues. If you're watching this video and you know me in person, please do not talk about it to me. Like, talk about it to other people all you want. Just please don't talk to me about it. I find it really awkward or embarrassing if, like, I'm in public and you know me and you say, hey, your videos are kind of crappy and nobody watches them and nobody comments on them. Nobody likes them. But, you know. Happy Father's Day, go Dad, you're number 1. Love you, Daddy. Hope you know that. Happy Father's Day to all dads out there. I hope you had a good one. My birthday is in like 2 months. My birthday's in 2 months. I really, really hope that I get tripod and the camera and the laptop, at least one of those. I swear, if I get tripod and no camera, I'm going to be really ticked off. That's not going to be funny. It probably will be, but not at first. I had this dream last night where Sabriel became canon, and it made my dream very, very, like, nice. It made my night. I was so happy. I mean, like, I don't know. Gabriel somehow came back from the dead, and Sam had this virus, and he needed, like, to have physical contact with the angel, but he was the only one who knew that. So he was, like, dying, and Sam's like, Gabriel, kiss me, because it was, like,
stars